In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import and export best email contacts in System.io. To get started, log into your System.io account and look at the top menu. From there, go to CRM, then click Contacts. This is where you can manage the people in your database, and it is also where the import process begins. Once you are on the Contacts page, move to the top right corner and click the Import Contacts button. This will open the Contact Import area, where System.io walks you through the setup needed to bring your contact list into the platform correctly. Before uploading anything, take a moment to review the Import Requirements checkbox. This is important because it helps confirm that your file is in the correct format and ready to be processed. After you have reviewed that, click Choose File and upload the CSV file you previously saved on your computer. CSV is the standard format for contact imports, so this file should contain the contact information you want to add. Next, select the delimiter that matches your exported file. This simply means choosing the separator used inside your CSV, such as a comma or semicolon. Picking the correct delimiter is important because it allows System.io to read each column properly. If the wrong delimiter is selected, your contact data may not line up as expected. After that, choose a tag from the drop-down menu to assign to the imported contacts. This step is recommended because tags make it much easier to organize your contacts later. For example, tags can help you separate leads, customers, or contacts from a specific campaign, so everything stays clean and easy to manage. You will then need to match the columns from your CSV file to the correct System.io data fields. For example, if one column contains email addresses, match it to the email field. If another column contains first names, match it to the first name field. This part is very important because it tells the system exactly where each piece of information belongs. Once everything looks correct, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Import. System.io will then begin uploading and processing your contacts. That is the full process for importing your email contacts into System.io. Take your time when reviewing the file, delimiter, tag, and field mapping, because accuracy here helps prevent errors later. That covers everything you need to know.